There are hundreds and hundreds of enzymes in our cells which are classified into 6 major categories, and the first class is oxidoreductase, and the oxidoreductases, they catalyze oxidation reduction reactions, and generally these enzyme names, it will end as dehydrogenase or oxidase or reductase. The second class is transferases. Transferases, they will transfer functional group, and generally their name ends as kinase like protein kinases or transaldolase, transcutolase, like that. The third class is hydrolases. Hydrolases, they will add water and break a molecule, and the best example is digestive enzymes like lactase. And the fourth class is lyases. Lyases, they do not add water, but they will alter the bond and then break the molecule, and example for that is enolase and aldolase. And the fifth class is isomerases. They do isomerization reaction, racemization, beta-rotation and epimerization reaction. They will end as isomerase, epimerase, mutase and enzymes enzyme. And the sixth class is ligases. Ligases, they will add two simple molecules to make a big molecule. Example is carboxylase. Carboxylases, they will add carbon dioxide to which needs ATP and biotin, and like synthetases. Synthetases, they will need ATP, and they will make small little molecules and combine them and make a big molecules. These are the classification of enzymes in our cell.